We got back from brunch, like 4 hours ago, like an hour ago. He's playing his game and I'm just editing away, trying to catch up still. So I have about 5 minutes to update you guys because, I mean, not update you, but like talk to you guys because I have something on the stove. I'm gonna cut into the vlog that you're watching right now because I feel like I want to be really honest in what happened last Sunday. So last Sunday, on actual Mother's Day, I was having a really rough day after we came back from brunch. So it started out during Saturday night, and you know, some things went down. I'm not gonna get into detail what happened, but it just really brought my mood down. Why am I crying? I'm just letting them know. You're like, I don't even know what you're talking about.
I know what you're talking about, but what? I don't know what you want to say.
But like, why am I crying? Go through the vlog because the vlog is actually 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Wow. Okay, so not only did I suck at vlogging last week, what happened Saturday flowed into Sunday, which created the mood of the entire week. It did get better as the week went on, but there's stuff that I'm dealing with internally that I don't feel ready to share with anybody yet, except for George. But I don't want to just leave it blank because we go from like going to brunch, and I look really rough from going to brunch, you know? Like I didn't even put myself together to go to a really nice brunch, which I always do on Sundays, at least like a cute outfit. Like I didn't even do my hair that day. I mean, I did my hair, but like I ended up throwing it up in a bun. After we came home, I didn't want to do anything else. I went into bed and then I was going to take a nap. But then I was really behind on the vlogs. So I just felt guilty about it and I didn't want to. I just grabbed my laptop and I was like, what the heck? I'm just going to edit a vlog right now. And I did. I spent the next like 2-3 hours editing that vlog. And until we had dinner with his mom, which I actually feel really bad because the whole entire time we were at his mom's dinner, I was just like a big old sour candy, Sour Patch Kid.
Yeah.
The entire time. Like, I couldn't get over it. Like, it was too much. But I feel like what set me off the most was that something happened right before we went to the dinner.
Right before we got there.
So
and it just triggered you.
I couldn't get out of it. I was like, babe, I'm really sorry. We were supposed to go back to his mom's house, like have some like coffee or whatever, like just continue into the night. Mm-hmm. And I couldn't do it. I'm like, babe, I'm sorry, but like I just want to go home. And then after that, it just cuts to us going grocery shopping. So it goes literally from me saying, oh, we just got back from brunch, and then to grocery shopping. So there's like a lot that happened throughout that day. I know I'm being very vague, but at the same time, I don't want to just leave you guys hanging like, what the heck? That was really weird on Sunday. I could have just left it like that, but again, the vlog is already really short. You should just see the mess of a vlog that we have for last week.
Yeah. It's a mess, huh?
Yeah, so that's why I wanted to insert this.
Yeah, it's probably supposed to be like, it's probably supposed to be longer with more stuff.
Yeah.
But she was off her A game because of personal things. Hey, y'all can't know.
Stupid. Now it's time for you to get back to this mess of a vlog. Keep on watching, please.
Yeah, thanks.
Give it a thumbs up.
Watch next week's vlog.
Yeah.
It's better.
Right? Yeah, the one we're filming right now.
Yeah, it's better.
Already.
Oh, yes. What's up, everybody? It is weekly vlog number 20. Oh, yes. On Mother's Day. Look at all these flowers. I wonder if they're 50% off right now. That'd be cool, huh? Yeah, maybe tomorrow. But, anyway, I thought I would start off this vlog with
something funny.
Something very funny. Something very hilarious. Look. How did it happen? I don't know. No idea.
You like to be in the dark while you're heading out of the door.
Yeah, I had the lights off.
Right.
And I have 3 different pairs of shoes at the door. 4 different pairs of shoes at the door. And I mean, at least I got the left foot on the left foot and the right foot on the right foot, right? But yeah, here I am in Kroger walking around, 2 different shoes. So, after having a wonderful Sunday at church and with my mom for a little while, we are getting some groceries, just a little bit. As you can see, the little cart. We're gonna get some wings and make them last for the whole week. Now, like 30 minutes ago, right now what time is it? It is 9:30. At 9 o'clock, I'm all like, what am I gonna eat for lunch tomorrow? She's
And
like,
then I got worried, yeah.
oh no, because I can't leave my job for lunch.
You're home. So we're on our way to the crawfish shack, of course, like always on a Tuesday. I took a shower as soon as I got home, and he just finished taking a shower and freshening up for dinner. So please don't mind my hair. I love the feeling that this place gives me.
It's because it's worth the shot.
So sad. This is what I come here for.
Yep.
Yes. And this.
Yeah.
This is bomb. Just getting this crazy feeling of like nuts being in my face. I don't know, like there's something nutty that's just calling my name. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Do you know? Do you know? Are you okay?
You should have put that in the vlog.
Huh?
You should have put that in there.
Why?
Because it's very nutty of you.
You mean naughty?
Yeah. Silly, you crazy.
Hey, you gotta admit that was funny.
No.
When you realized what I was talking about, it wasn't funny? For real? It wasn't funny? Oh, man. Okay, so let's start over.
Okay.
Hey, so I get this crazy feeling of like just having butt all over my face. Get it? Nutter butter? No?
What's wrong with you?
Okay, I made you laugh this time, so it worked.
Yeah. You weathered my hard rock soul with your first comment.
Wait, so you're admitting it was funny?
Yeah, kinda.
Oh. Kinda?
Very
then
inappropriate.
But then the butt one.
I didn't see that one coming.
Okay, let's start over. Don't roll your eyes at me. Hey, for some reason, I get like this crazy feeling. Okay, fine. I'm done.
Carry on.
Oh, I didn't have anything.
No.
Okay, I have one. Hey, for some reason, I get like this crazy feeling of having dick in my face.
What are you gonna point at now? What could there possibly be? Don't look. What are you doing? I thought there was like a hot dog somewhere.
No. I'm so funny. I came up with that on the spot.
You're crazy.
Hey, for some reason. Okay, I'm done. The next one was gonna be too inappropriate. Hey guys, so I'm sitting out here editing this vlog, and I just wanted to come on here to say I'm sorry that this is pretty uneventful, but that's life sometimes, you know? Like, you just have downtime and nothing pretty much happened the entire week. So thank you so much for watching, and keep on the lookout for weekly vlog number 21, because that's already pretty fun. And that one's already filmed and about to be edited. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you join us next time. Bye.